Hello everyone, this is Rakesh Kushwaha from Mumbai. Thanks for liking my videos. So, ICSE Mathematics Semester 1 is over. Now let us begin with Semester 2 preparation tips. I got very good feedback for my videos and I have made a playlist for you. Semester 2, all the chapters I have covered for you. So, before we begin our discussion, the main thing you have to keep in our mind your syllabus. And very good thing has happened first time in so many years, or first time that portion is 50%, because earlier the paper was of 80 marks, now it is of 40 marks, so obviously 50%, or you may say less than that. But for semester 1 you got obviously more time to practice, and many parents they stop the teachers teaching semester 2, um, especially tutors, not teachers. So they started revision of semester 1 chapters. Now the time is less, though you have to revise the chapters. Almost all schools have finished their portion. So let us quickly have a recap on these chapters names and their reduced things. So almost the chapters are completely over there, because your algebra is gone fully, commercial arithmetic is gone, and from geometry similarity is gone. So whatever is gone, don't think for that. Gone is gone. There are so many things in our life which are out of portion or out of syllabus. So no, don't go for the things which are outdated or out of syllabus. Don't go for past papers also, because you will find hardly 40%, 30% things which are there for you. So I guide you to do chapter wise study, and then you can make the sample papers I'll discuss with you later. So when we are talking about the syllabus, this is the dish for your syllabus. So from coordinate geometry, most of the school they teach coordinate geometry at last. So we have reflection, fully reflection is there, how to reflect in x-axis, y-axis, in origin, name of the shape. I have made the video for that already. All videos are there with you. Go in playlist and check. And if you like the video, please subscribe my channel. I rarely do marketing. So section and midpoint formula, again you have full chapter. Section formula, midpoint is actually section formula only, but it's easy to do. And then equation of a line. In equation of a line, earlier reduced portion was there, now it is fully over there, parallel perpendicular line. So don't listen to the people who are not associated with the ICSE board, but they are making their videos, and I'm not criticizing anyone, and they are telling this thing is there, that thing is there. Recently I got a call, people were asking mensuration sphere is there or no, because some teachers told us, or some YouTube channel. So I'll come to that. Then circles. In some books, circle is one chapter. In some books, there are two chapters, circles, and second chapter, tangent and intersecting chord. Entirely thing are there. No proving sums. Only statement. You have to remember the theorem statement, angle-based properties. And again, I have made the video on circles, so I'll not do again and again. I'll not repeat the things. So circle, you remember all the theorem statements, and there will be numericals, only application-based sums, no proving sums. Then we have cylinder and cone. So this I was talking for mensuration. You have to study only and only cylinder and cone. Don't go for extra things. I know this also. I know that also. So I told you there are many things in your life which are out of syllabus. We don't do all. Okay, this life will be short for that. Anyways, for competitive exams, there is again you have a lot time to practice for that. So don't worry. Okay, and then trigonometry, we have simple identities based proving sums. Now this sum may come in 2 marks. Earlier there were 3 marks, 4 mark system. Okay, so now trigonometry, you have only identity and identity based proving sums. And when we come for height and distance, generally we get two triangle, like this is right angle triangle properties only, and there are various um, uh, property, various story problems for the story. Stories are there, so drawing diagram and all, but the question will not be lengthy, because you don't have more than 3 marks. So here statistics is like engine over here. Statistics will cover 8 to 10 marks. So 20% of your paper is from statistics, because there are three topics: mean, mode, and median. There may be combined question, there may be separate, they may ask histogram with mode, or they may ask OJAV, they may ask you by giving cumulative frequency, because they cannot go for 6 marks or 5 marks. Okay, so OJAV they may give you cumulative frequency, and you have to just draw freehand curve. 1 mark, and finding median. It may not be the lengthy one. Then in the statistics mode, median, finding mean from using all formula earlier, only choice was given or anyone. So everything is there or in all these chapters. Probability, simple applications, your coin based or your die based sums generally come, or there are objects. And then I think I have covered all the things. Duration is only 1.5 hours, which is 90 minutes calculated in minutes. 10 minutes extra are given for your reading time, so that time you are not allowed to write the question. Again, I'll guide you how I guided for your semester 1. Read section B, because section B you have choice. So out of 5, you have to attempt any 3 questions. Very good choice. Very means options are given to you. So have best selection, which you know all 3 questions, all 4 parts. You tick that first, and then go for the last one where you know 3 at least, or at least 2 that way. So portion is less. You are well prepared, I know. So your 40-mark question, 10 marks, section A, 10 marks, 10 questions. You should finish in 10 to 15 minutes. Don't take more than that, because they are very short. They don't need more calculation. And I had guided you before also for objective type questions. Please read the introduction of every chapter. Chapter introduction gives you the theory part, which we lack. Sometimes we attack directly on problems or formula based questions. So for theory, 1 mark you may get from that introductory part of chapters. Then 90 minutes, as I told you, so 10 to 15 minutes are gone for your objective types, and then 60 minutes you can manage this balance. So I have calculated for you 15 minutes, 20 minutes per question you should take. 20 minutes per question you can take, because this is now questions are more. Earlier there were 3 parts, 3 subparts, 3 3 4. Now they have divided 2 2 and 3 3. So what you can do, 2 marks can take 4 minutes minimum, like 3 to 4 minutes. And then 3 marks, I am just saying 5 to 6 minutes. So if I count 4 4 6 6, then also it becomes 20 minutes maximum. 20 minutes, you should not take more than that. If it is taking, then you can just skip, and remember that you have left something. So don't leave anything. That is why I have mentioned somewhere, spare 10 minutes for revision. And you can easily spare 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes to revising at last, whether you have copied digit wrong. These are the basic things every year children do mistake. They copy the digit wrong, and suppose 1 0 less, or or like formula or something. You can, so it's always advisable to go through the question, your answers at last for 5 minutes. Now, these are all about from my side. Section A is 10 marks, objective types. I'll do practice with you. And section B, there are 5 questions. Okay, you have to attempt only 3, 10 marks each. So the criteria is 2, 2, 3, 3. Okay, that way we have to do. And this syllabus is important. Please, this flavor, this dish you have to prepare from all these spices, all these contents. So remember them. Like these are the contents and important contents, go through them. I have made playlist for you, semester 2, all chapters combined together. I have covered concept as well as content, because if video becomes bigger, you people don't appreciate. Okay, but I'll try to give you chapter wise as well as like combined objectives, and these subjective questions. I'll make sample papers for you. Thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share with your contacts. You never know that your one sharing may bring smile on someone's face. And every child is not blessed to have like expensive tutors. People appreciate this. Thank you very much. May God bless you. All the best.